Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. Now today I'm going to show you how to whip up a traditional Irish lamb stew that'll knock your socks off. This dish is so hearty and delicious it'll have you and your friends begging for more. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Now first things first, I'm going to take 800 grams of juicy Irish lamb pieces and I'm going to toss them into a large bowl. We're going to season that bad boy with salt and pepper and then a tablespoonful of plain flour. Now we'll get your hands in there and we're going to cut all the meat in the flour and we'll set it aside while we prep the veggies. Speaking of the veggies, we're using 2 to 3 onions depending on their size, 3 bay leaves, about 800 grams of potatoes, 1 medium turnip, 3 sprigs of fresh thyme for extra flavour and 4 large carrots. Now we're going to peel those babies and we'll set them to the side so they're ready for cooking. Now head over to your cooker and into a deep saucepan or high saute pan. I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil on a medium-high heat. We're going to put the coated lamb in and we're going to cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until it's browned all over. You might need to do this in 2 or 3 batches. Now once the lamb is cooked, we're going to remove it from the pan and set it to the side. Now folks, if you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch to the end for further videos. So now in the same saucepan I'm going to add the peeled carrots, the onions and the turnip, and then we'll saute those for about 5 minutes just until the vegetables get softened. Now we're going to return the lamb to the pan. Don't forget the juices that are on the plate, that's where all the flavour is. Then I'm going to add about 600 grams of the potatoes. This will stick in the stew when we're cooking it, along with 500 millilitres of lamb stock and 500 millilitres of beef stock. Now we're going to add in the bay leaves and the sprigs of thyme. Now we'll cover it with the lid and we'll let it simmer for 2 to 2.5 hours just until everything is cooked through and the lamb is soft. Now after 2 hours and some mouth-watering smells later, we're going to remove the bay leaves and the thyme from the stew, add in the rest of the potatoes, we'll check for seasoning. I thought this needed some salt and some pepper. I'll mix it well and simmer for another 20 minutes until the potatoes are cooked through. So after about 20 minutes we'll just check the last of the potatoes and we'll just make sure that they're soft in the middle but they haven't broken up. And now it's time to serve. And there you have it folks. A traditional Irish lamb stew that will warm your belly and your soul. Serve it up with some crusty bread and a pint of Guinness for the ultimate Irish experience. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Slán.